With the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra just released earlier last month, it may seem early to already be looking ahead to next year's model. New leaks and rumors are already all over the internet and people are pretty much hyped about it. At the same time, we will try to find out the features, specs, and innovations these flagship smartphones bring to the table. But the lightning-fast iterative cycle of tech means rumors and reports on the Galaxy S25 Ultra are already swirling. While the S24 Ultra brings impressive refinements like boosted AI capabilities, a refined design, and upgraded camera hardware, there's always room for improvement. So what can we expect from this new flagship model? Let's find out. From the release of Samsung Galaxy S24, which went official on January 17, 2024, and the S24 saw the biggest AI implications so far. Moving on to the Galaxy S25 series, it's safe to say that they will see the biggest changes in the implementation of AI, which will be one of the key selling points for Samsung to go against Google and Apple. AI could also be used to help edit and improve photos through generative AI techniques. Additionally, it will offer enhanced search capabilities on the Ultra, highlighting any item on an image to find additional information about it. Samsung's premium smartphone design language has remained relatively consistent since the recognizable contour-cut camera block first debuted on the Galaxy S21 series in 2021. Aside from gradual size increases over the generations, the core look and feel carry forward year to year. We would love to see Samsung finally shake things up in 2025 with a fresh new style for the S25 Ultra. A nearly bezel-less, port-less exterior would help modernize the aesthetics to match the bleeding-edge internals. This could mean bringing back the IP68 water resistance lost after the S20 generation without needing physical port cutouts. While not mass-market necessary, it allows the Galaxy line to reclaim bragging rights for pushing boundaries. Maintaining the flagship standard, the S25 Ultra retains IP68 protection and Victus 2 glass. While this may not mark a significant upgrade from the S24 Ultra, notable improvements emerge in the camera department. The device boasts enhanced and larger lenses, including a 50-megapixel telephoto lens for superior quality and low light performance during zooming. The primary 200-megapixel lens features crucial sensors like multi-directional PD autofocus, laser autofocus, OIS, and more, underscoring a substantial focus on videography. Samsung appears to be intensifying its efforts to rival iPhone's video capabilities, building on the considerable strides made by the S23 Ultra in narrowing the gap with Apple. While yearly upgrades like better displays, battery life, charging speeds, and cameras are expected, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might find success by focusing on refreshing its design, improving performance, and offering competitive pricing. This could finally strike a balance between form, function, and cost. However, it's too early to say for sure what direction Samsung will take, and past leaks haven't always been reliable. So, what are your thoughts on the potential direction of the S25 Ultra? Share your opinions in the comments below.